In front of me is CUBOT X70 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by accessing Clock app. Then choose Alarm at the bottom left corner and click on those three dots at the top right corner. Following that, select Settings and adjust all of those under Alarms however you want to. When you finished, go back. Then to create new alarm, use this plus at the bottom in the middle. Now set up an hour. And to save it, hit OK at the bottom right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully created. To adjust it, use all of those options. At the top, you can click on Add Label and name your alarm however you want to. Then click OK to save its name. Pick days of the week by clicking on the chosen ones. And to exclude some dates, use this plus next to Pause Alarm. Then pick a date to exclude and save it by hitting OK. To remove it, use Remove button next to it. Then click on bell icon. Select Dismiss or download one of those sound sources. If you wish to use one of those sources, click on them at the top. In my case, YouTube Music. Then log into your account and enjoy using music from it. If you don't want to do that, select Sounds. Click on Add New and pick any song from your smartphone by clicking on it. If you don't want to do that as well, you can also just click on one of those melodies to apply the best one. Like for example, Platinum. Then use those two icons next to Vibrate and Google Assistant routine to disable or enable vibrations and to add or remove your alarm from your Google Assistant routine. Now to hide all of those settings, click at the top right corner of your alarm. As you can see, mine was successfully added and adjusted. If you wish to make some changes, click on the same icon at the top right corner and change wherever you want to. To switch off your alarm completely, use this switcher next to it, and to turn it back on, click on the same switcher again. Lastly, to get rid of your alarm, click at the top right corner one more time and tap on this bean at the bottom left one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!